Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project LED chaser. The components required for this project are 10 LEDs, 10 220 kΩ resistor, 1 kΩ resistor, 1 470 microfarad capacitor, IC 555, IC 4017, 10 kΩ potentiometer, breadboard and a 9V battery. First of all, place IC 555 on the breadboard. Connect pin number 8 and pin number 4 of the IC together. Similarly, connect pin number 2 and pin number 6 of the IC together. Place 1 kΩ resistor on the breadboard. Connect terminal 2 and wiper terminal of the potentiometer to one of the terminal of 1 kΩ resistor. Insert terminal 1 of the potentiometer somewhere on the breadboard. Connect the positive terminal of capacitor to the terminal 1 of potentiometer and negative terminal to the pin number 1 of the IC. Connect one end of 1 kΩ resistor to the pin number 8 of the IC. Connect the another end of fixed resistor to the pin number 7 of the IC. Connect positive terminal of capacitor to the pin number 6 of the IC. Connect a 220 ohm resistor to the pin number 3 of the IC. Connect the anode of LED to the another end of 220 ohm resistor and cathode of the LED to pin number 1 of the IC. Connect negative terminal of battery to the pin number 1 and positive terminal of battery to pin number 8 of the IC. As you can see, the LED has started blinking. We can vary the speed of the blinking by rotating the knob of the potentiometer. Now place IC 4017 on the breadboard. Connect pin number 16 of 4017 IC to pin number 4 of the 555 IC. Connect pin number 15 and 13 of 4017 IC together. Connect pin number 13 of 4017 IC to pin number 1 of the IC 555. Place 10 LEDs on breadboard in a row as shown in the video. Connect the cathodes of all the LEDs in the power rail of the breadboard. Connect 220 ohm resistor to the anode terminal of every LED. Connect the resistor of the first LED to pin number 3 of the IC. Connect the another end of second resistor to pin number 2 of the IC. Connect another end of third resistor to pin number 4 of the IC. Connect another end of fourth resistor to pin number 7 of the IC. Connect another end of fifth resistor to pin number 10 of the IC. Connect the another end of sixth resistor to pin number 1 of the IC. Connect another end of seventh resistor to pin number 5 of the IC. Connect another end of eighth resistor to pin number 6 of the IC. Connect another end of 9th resistor to pin number 9 of the IC. Connect another end of 10th resistor to pin number 11 of the IC. Connect the cathode of all the LEDs to pin number 15 of the IC. Connect pin number 14 of the IC to 1 kΩ resistor, that is to the output pin of IC 555. Connect the battery to the circuit. As you can see, the LEDs are looking like a running display. The LEDs are blinking alternately. We can change the speed of the LED blinking by rotating the knob of the potentiometer. This is how LED chaser project works. Thank you.